Right, ladies and gents, as you can see back at the D-turbs, what's happening here is the rear axle's getting changed. So yeah, making progress thankfully. So basically, if you can see down here, currently I've undone the handbrake cables from inside, dropped it. I've literally just lowered the exhaust because yeah, one piece, and I would say I'm nearly pretty much there because I've got to undo the brake pipes now and then the 6 bolts and get this one in. So I'm going to crack on with that. Right, after all that messing about, old beam, new beam. Look at that one. Colours, mate, colours. First time doing this job, man. Whew. Not going as low as I was before. Look at that, that's ridiculous. Damn. So, it's been a bit of a jobby, but as you can see, the rear axle is in place. Look at that, the main man's again in place. It's been pissing me off, but excuse the French. Still got quite a bit more to do. That looks jokes. Monster truck. Going for a test drive. Jeez, look at the difference of the height, yo.